What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to have more practice questions regarding multiplication and simplifying square roots. First thing I want to do, I have square root of 6 times square root of 12. The answer is going to be square root of 6 times 12 will be square root of 72. And from this 72 I need to take a perfect square out. As we know, 36 is a factor of 72 and is a perfect square, so we have 36 times 2, we have 36 times root 2, square root of 36 is 6, so it's going to be 6 root 2. Next example is 5 root 2 times 3 root 6. Answer is 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Root 2 times 6. So it's going to be 15 root 12. We need to find out the perfect square to be one of the factor of 12, which is 4. So we have 4 and 3. Square root of 4 is 2. So 15 times 2 is 30. So it's going to be 30 root 3. Next example. We have 2 root 3 times 4 root 6. Answer will be 2 times 4, 8. Root 3 times 6. It's going to be 18. Again, we are looking for a factor that is perfect square. We know it's 9 and 2. So it's going to be 9 and 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Root 2. Next example. We have 2 root 5 times 2 root 10. Answer is 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 10, 50. Again, what perfect square is a factor of 50? You can say it's 25. 25 times 2. Square root of 25 is 5. So it's going to be 4 times 5. Times square root of 2, which is going to be 20 root 2. Next example, we have negative 2 root 3 times 3 root 18. Answer, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 3 times 18 is 54. I'm looking for a factor to be perfect square for 54, so which is 9. So we have 9 times 6 minus 6, 9, 6. So it's going to be negative 6 times 3, it is 18 root 6. Example, negative 4 root 5 times 5 root 10. The answer is negative 4 times 5, negative 20. 5 times 10, 50. So we have negative 20 root 25 times root 2, because 50 is 25 times 2. Again, it's perfect square here. Square root of 25 is 5. So negative 20 times 5 is going to be negative 100 root 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.